everyone, today's video is going to be an update on my Project Tin Pan. So I update you all like close to the end of every month, and this is actually going to be the penultimate update. So my next one's going to be the finale. And what I've done in this Project Pan is I've just kind of chosen smaller items that I think I can get out of my collection before I'm moving. And I just got my move out date. I will be moving into my new place in Ohio August 1st. So I'm moving out like the 30th or 31st depending, because it is like a 13-hour drive. But anyway, I'm really excited about all of that. I'm excited to be starting this new thing, but I've been trying to declutter. I've already decluttered most of my collection. I still have a couple videos left to do of that, and I'll leave that playlist down below if you're interested. But I also wanted to try to use some things up. So I chose 10 items. Excuse me. Before this update, I already used up 3, so that was pretty good. And now I've actually used up 2 more in the past month. First is the Be a Bombshell Smooth Criminal Powder. So this was one of those like white loose setting powders. I used it under my eyes and all over my face. I like another powder for all over my face. I really love the Meteorites powder or the Snow White Besame powder. But this was really nice under the eyes. I really liked it. It wasn't too like grainy like a few of them will have been. So I did like this, and I'd probably purchase it. It was like $5. I got it at a in an empty bag, but it is completely used up. And in case you were wondering, I did go ahead and take out the sifter. And the second item that I completely used up is this Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara. So this was I really like this mascara. It's probably one of the favorites I've tried in a long time. It's got one of those natural hourglass shape-ish wands. So I was a big fan of this and would definitely think about purchasing that. It's really expensive. So yeah, those are the 2 items I used up. So I've now used up 5 items. That means that in the next month I'd like to use up 5. I don't think that's going to happen, but I'm going to show you all what I've got. So first we have the Max Fix Plus. I've only got a little bit left of this, as you can tell. It's weird. It has lost, it went from 45 grams to 37 grams. So I have definitely been using it. But it's weird. It like comes out kind of in a jet. It's not like a fine mist like it used to be. But there's still like a decent amount left. So I'm going to keep using this. I really think I can have this gone by the next month. And because of the way this lid is, it is like relatively heavy. It's like I said, it's like 35 grams. So I'd be excited to get this out of my collection. And that would be one less thing to move. Next, we have the American Fidelity Chapstick. So this is broken, and now I can't scroll it all the way down. But I've definitely used a bunch. I've pushed it down. I don't know if that's really all the way down. There might be even some more use out of it. So I've used it a bunch. This has lost a gram. It went from 14 grams down to 13. So definitely gotten some use out of that, which is exciting. And even though I'll probably keep this afterwards, like it's still a little bit lighter, because I'm going to be moving my entire Alex 9 drawers. If you've never seen my makeup collection video, I'll link that playlist down below. I'm going to try to get rid of this little drawer unit that's on top, because it is kind of boxy and takes up some room. And again, I'm not trying to be super crazy about it, but I want to get rid of as much stuff as possible, because moving's a pain, and I don't want to move things unless I like really care about it or really want it. So if I move, I'm going to try to get rid of this, but I'm going to keep my whole Alex drawer set. So that kind of takes up a set amount of space anyway, but using things up even a little bit makes everything lighter. That's just kind of how I think about it. That's probably like way too minute and like nitpicky, but it's what I think. So there you go. Next, I have the Eyeko That's Where I Draw the Line eyeliner. I totally forgot to wear this today. I haven't really been into wing liner lately, but this is a good one if you are into it. I've just been using powder eyeliner, and I totally don't have on mascara. I am the worst about putting on mascara, which is really funny to me. I think I've said this like a billion times, so sorry. Sometimes I get a little redundant. Because mascara is by far my mom's favorite makeup item. And I'm, like, if I'm going to forget something, it's going to be mascara. My mom puts on mascara before she puts on eyeshadow. It's hilarious. Like, if you watch her do her makeup, it'll be like, okay, see how much prettier that looks, though? Like, I like mascara. She'll be like, mascara, eyeshadow, mascara, blush, mascara, more blush, mascara, lipstick, mascara, powder, blush. Like the woman puts on like 47 coats of mascara. That's okay. She looks good. So there you go. So This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. I think it's running kind of low as well. But that's not in the project. Anyway, so yeah, I do like that eyeliner. I just haven't been using it. Next, we have the Tarte Tardy Lip Liner. I have this on today. I have been using this. It still weighs 3 grams. This thing has been coming out. And if you can remember, that is a little bit smaller than last time. So I can't scroll it up because it's one of those where once you scroll it up, you won't scroll back down. So I don't know how much of that pencil is actually usable, because if you know that, like, sometimes there'll be a lot of extra product down in your pencil, but you can't get it. So I'm still working on it. Maybe by next time. I don't know. We'll see. Then I have the Physicians Formula Green Concealer. This still weighs 51 grams, but I have used it. Like, I used it whenever I want to, like, conceal some redness. So I still have a bunch left. I really like this concealer. I don't love this one, but I like this. So I'll keep playing with it. I don't think it'll be gone within the next month, though. Next, we have the Tarantino Eye Dream Dollskin Eye Primer. I use this every day. It's fine. It hasn't lost any weight. It seems like there's still a bunch on the wand when I pull it out, so I don't think it's going to be gone anytime soon, but I'm working on it. Next, we have the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer. This, I haven't hit pan on, but I do feel like I've made a little bit of a dent. I would really love to hit pan on it within the next month. I don't know how realistic that goal is, but that would be really, really awesome to hit pan before I leave. I don't think I'll be decluttering it or anything. I really like it, but I'd love to hit pan on it. And last but not least, we have the Chella Ivory Lace Highlighter. I have a sheet, but you can't tell the difference. I sharpened it once. It still weighs 4 grams. I use it under my eyebrows and in my inner corner. I like it, but it's slow going. So I have put in 2 new items. I think I can get rid of both of them in the next month. First, we have the Benefit Boi-Ing Concealer. So I have had this in a project before, and it is so close to being done. It's not quite finished, as you can tell. It's got a little bit around the edges, but I'm thinking it'll be finished within the next month. I do like the way it works. This color is number 2. It's a little too dark for me. I think I'd like number 1 better, but I do like this concealer. And I have this e.l.f. eyebrow gel. I haven't been using it that long, honestly, but I don't still think there's that much in it. So I use it every day just to set my eyebrows, so I think I could have that done. And then if I can finish that up, then I will, like, cut this wand off and throw away this whole half. So it'll be, like I said, a little bit smaller and lighter before I move. So there is all of that. That is my Project Tin Pan update. It is hot as Hades. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. As always, please leave any questions, requests, suggestions, comments down below. Talking about is one of my favorite things, and I'll just see y'all real soon. Bye.